Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to be working on a super van, and we're going to make it into a team van. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went ahead and drilled it, stripped it, and cleaned it up. And this is what we have left. I went ahead and put some wheels on the base, so that's all taken care of. Nice. Okay, next step, to the paint shop. Okay, we've taken this out of the paint shop for a while, so we can go ahead and went ahead and put the decals on it, and found out that I have orange decals and not red. So I guess this will be the Halloween edition until I get some red ones. So let's just go ahead and put this back together for now. We don't like Halloween editions. For the 18 van, Mr. T would be mad. All right, snap together good. Okay, there we have it. The Halloween edition of the 18 van. Okay, so we started with this. And we finished up with this. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.